Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here to help you at home with your young readers. Here's our question. I read to my son every day at home, and I have also been getting him to read 1 to 3 Bob books a day, which is about all he wants to do. Is that a good way to support him? Do you have other suggestions? I love this question because Bob books are everywhere. They look like this. Bob books look like this, and they're simple, easy to read books. They don't have colored pictures, they just have nice black and white pictures. And they have a few high frequency words, and kids can love to read Bob books. It's often their first experience reading books. And the nice thing about Bob books is that they have regular spelling patterns. We call that a CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant spelling pattern. Most of the words do. And as the students read those, they start internalizing, some of the students start internalizing those spelling patterns. Even if they aren't quite so sophisticated as to internalize the spelling patterns, they at least learn that the first letter often matches the first sound in a word. So these are very good exposures for children. Sometimes kids read the Bob book so much they memorize them. And that's okay too, because every time a student gets excited about reading a book himself or herself, that's fostering independent reading, and that's what we want to do. So please let him read those books to you as much as he wants, even if it drives you crazy. You did ask, is that a good way to support him? Yes, it is. I hope that's very clear. You also asked, do you have other suggestions? And you're already actually taking advantage of my other suggestion, and that is to read to him as much as possible at home. Every time you read a book to him, especially good quality children's literature, you're introducing him to vocabulary that we don't usually use in our standard oral speak when we speak to one another. Children's books have great vocabulary in them. They have good sentence structure that will help him translate that to academic reading. Another thing is that every time you read a book to a student that has some experience in it that he's never had, or introduces him to a new animal or a new place that he doesn't already know, you're building his background knowledge. And we know that background knowledge and vocabulary knowledge are what helps kids get ahead in school. So just keep doing what you're doing, even if Bob books drive you crazy. Thanks for this question. If you have more reading questions, send them on. Please take care and have fun reading with your children.
For more information about teaching reading, please visit www.readingrockets.org.